Hunan Guanma Envirotech Company Limited is affiliated with Guan's Group. It was established in 2019 and is headquartered in Zhengzhou City, Hunan Province, China. It is an enterprise specializing in comprehensive resource recycling solutions and equipment supply. Relying on its global business layout, the company has established three core business segments: comprehensive solid waste recycling solutions, precious metal smelting solutions, and wet refining solutions, providing one-stop cross-border resource recovery services to customers both at home and abroad. The leading products include comprehensive solid waste recycling solutions, lithium-ion battery comprehensive recycling line, lead-acid battery comprehensive recycling line, solar panel comprehensive recycling line, home applicants and e-waste recycling line, precious metals smelting and refining solutions, gold, silver, copper, lead electrolysis project NO/AG/point/PD/ refining project. For years, we focus on technological innovation and quality control. Full process closed-loop control underpins our bottom line of quality, and our robust manufacturing strength ensures the stable overseas shipment of every batch of foreign trade equipment. Our company has been awarded a large number of industry certificates, authoritative qualifications, and professional honors. All certifications are solid proof of our standardized management, advanced technology, and reliable product quality. We strictly follow international standards and always deliver trustworthy solutions for global partners. The company has an independent laboratory and a technical R&D team of more than 20 people, and a production, sales, and after-sales service team of more than 100 people. With the concept of a professional team, continue to create value for customers. Our products have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions including Turkey, Kazakhstan, India, Qatar, the United Kingdom, Iran, Uganda, Romania, Russia, Canada, Costa Rica, Bangladesh, etc. Gained the unanimous trust and praise from customers all over the world.